So it's really important with dementia that we step back and think about, be detectives to figure out what's going on. Why is this person suddenly becoming upset and agitated? And I started out in a hospice dementia program. So in hospice dementia care, the people are dying of dementia and they can't tell you what is going on, what's wrong with them. And so you really have to know the person, about them, who they are, to try to figure out the cause or causes. And you see this list here, it can be many things. Also, we need to consider that the care partner is contributing to the problem because of their own stress, their own fatigue. Maybe they're completely sleep deprived because their person's waking up every night, and so they have low distress tolerance and can't manage things. Or they're just using the same communication styles that they've always had with their spouse of 55 years, and they're like, I just told you that, why didn't you? So that nonverbal is huge in this field. And so I would just say that, nonverbal is 90% of communication, and so if we're bringing this stressed out, panicky energy to someone who's having this sudden onset, agitation or fear of what's happening around them, that's just going to magnify that.